Oh my god, the girly pop. Oh my god, it's the girly pop. I love K-pop. I love K-pop. Anyway, loot boxes. It's back to being absolutely disappointed. But I'm supposed to get a free legendary at the end of these. So no. First off, green hair skin. I don't know. I mean, it's a skin, I guess. You know, that's. Maybe. Why not? Yeah, look, okay. I don't think you could get that anymore, except for paying for it. So, all of these, man. I don't know. I don't know, man. Another default skin. Well, not default. Nightfall. I remember when skin wasn't up. Nutcracker. I thought they were supposed to have a gun, but I guess things call for different things. I love that they made sprays out of the little things you can get as arms. I think. At least I think so. I'm not well versed in this at all, man. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Lex. Oh no. Oh lord. Oh well, we gotta get through these quick. And that's supposed to mean what? I mean, I guess that's like a Chinese saying. Oh, I actually love that. Oh, I actually love that. That's actually so cute. But I can't equip it for some reason. Big skin, but it's actually just a recolor because I can't see literally anything that they did with this. No, not the dislocator. Yeah, I can't see the difference. This is just a recolor. Emote? Sure, why not? King Jameson? Sure, why not? Tommy Hog? Sure, why not? I don't know, man. One away. Next box. Metal? Yeah, whatever. Taco? Yeah. I'm equipping that. I'm gonna harass some kids later. And yeah. Judging by this, who do you think I play a lot? That's right. That's right. Mercy. I don't know why he's into BMX, but he. I don't know. I don't rant about that. Like that. What? Black braid. Did you get these? I'm pretty sure you couldn't before until they added the loot boxes back. I think so. I don't know, man. I don't know. Lion dancing. Yeah. Red thing. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna. And I'm not equipping that either. I already have. Best. Clearly the best. Skin. This not even close. This not even close. This the best skin. What's a mythic skin? What is that? I'm like, oh, I mean, who would want this? Look at the legs; they're so skinny. Then we go here. Oh, okay. Also very skinny legs, but hey, I'm a mystical guy. Like mysticism. Anyway, Freya. Freya. She exists. Here's disabled in ranked games. Whoa. Whoa. I better not play any competitive then. I don't. 'Cause. 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 'C